In this video, we will discuss the private and public access modifiers in VBA. We will also discuss the scope of variables declared at the module and the procedure levels. Here, we have two sub-procedures. Since they are not declared with an explicitly stated level of access, they use the default access, which makes them publicly available. This means that these procedures can be accessed from any module in the workbook, and also, from any other open workbook that calls them. We are able to call a privately declared sub-procedure from another sub-procedure that is within the same module. However, we cannot call a privately declared sub-procedure from a sub-procedure in a different module. So, here we will change the sub-procedure in Module 2 to have public access. When we run the main sub-procedure, we see that we are able to call the sub-procedure from Module 2. If we declare a variable at the module level, using the dim keyword, it will be privately accessible by default. Since the name variable has private access, we are not able to access it from Module 1. Here, we get an error when we try to do so. But, if we change the variable's access to public, then, we will be able to access it from Module 1. However, the best practice is to declare variables as private in most instances. Only rarely would we allow a variable to be accessed publicly. This practice makes our code more secure. Here, we write a public function to access the value of our private module variable. Now we can call that function from any module and get the current value of the name variable. We are able to declare two variables with the same name if the scope of the variables is within two different procedures. Here, a variable, called name, is declared in some sub. Then, a variable, with the same name, is declared in another sub. This is allowed, because they are local variables, to the two different procedures, so they do not interfere with each other.